What's up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, finally I can post this video and share you another dance tutorial and dance video. But this one I used the song called Mr. Stranger by Anson Lo. He's a very popular artist here in Hong Kong. Okay, so let's start. So 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. One more time. So 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Chest. 8, 1, and 2. Okay? Let's continue. So after you close 7, 8, 1, 2, step forward, 3 and a 4. Then cross 5. Shout 6. This is 7, 8. Close on 1. Pop chest 2. Copy that? Okay, let's try one more time. Go 5, 6 from the top. 6, 7. It's clear now. 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Chest 7, 8. 1. Close on 2. Forward 3, 4. Cross 5. Shout 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2. Okay, so from here we are going to turn. 2. Turn 3. 4, step back on 5, 6, step back 5, 6, chest 7, put back on 8. Okay, so 7 and 8. Let's try that one. From here, this is 1, chest on 2. Copy? Go. Turn 3, 4, step back on 5, 6, chest 7, 8. Let's continue. 7, 8, 1, 2. Do this one slowly. 1, 2, close 3, 4. Step 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's very quick. Okay, let's try from here. This is 1, chest on 2, turn around 3, 4, step up on 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's try first from the beginning on this one. 4, 8. 5, 6, 7, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, cross 5. Up, 7, close. 1, 2, 3, 4, back 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, cross 6, 7, 8. Now, the last 4 8s is simple. So from here, 7, 8. This one step, quadruple 1 and 2. So get like right, left, back, front, right. 1 and 2. This is 3, 4. Then 5, 11, 6. Go to 7, 8. 7, 8, and bounce. 2, 3, and 4. Step back. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 2 8s. Simple as that. Almost 2 more 8s. So we end up on the 7, 8. Right? Go right, left, front. 3, 4, 5. Nod. 7, 8, and bounce. 2, 3. Move back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Last 2 8s. Let's figure out this one. Last 2 8. The simple step. Cross 1, 2, 3, and a 4. Same 5, 6, 7, and 8. One more time. After the move back, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And for the last 8, actually this one we make it simple. 1, 2, just pose. 1, 2, 3, 4, Simple as that. Let's try again from the back, from here. So 5, 6, 7, front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. And pause. That's it. Let's try everything from the beginning, continuously, slowly, okay? Are you guys ready? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shout, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross 5, 6, 7. Here we go. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now then 1, 2, 3. Back 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hit and pose. Yeah! Good job. Okay, now let's try music.
Mr. Stranger, just take a look. I'ma do it wild. Just wait away, scream my name out loud. But fading and falling, now running and rising. So who's not selling here? Hey, Mr. Stranger.
發開我保守套裝，你一刻都努力講，終於你怎麼識破？越是用力背負目光，越是劇烈觸發更多呼喊，誰人？
Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed that video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comments on our video. Okay, I'll promise I'll make more video in the future. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.